Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we shall discuss about the next concept in object-oriented programming, the abstraction. Okay. First of all, abstraction is about hiding the real implementation of the class and showing only its usage. Okay. So, but Python does not actually support abstraction by default, but we have a module called ABC, which stands for abstract base class in Python, to support abstraction for Python classes. So without any delay, let us get into our PyCharm and start learning about abstraction practically. Okay. Writing abstract class, first of all, what is an abstract class? Any class which contains one or more abstract methods are considered to be the abstract classes. Okay. What is abstract method here? The abstract method is a method which is defined, but it do not have any implementation. It's an empty method and it has implementation in its base classes. Okay. Within abstract class, it do not have any implementation. Do not get confused. Let us make it clear by creating classes. Okay. So I'm having my class A as usual, right? I'm having my method def, and I have already said that abstract methods do not have any implementation. So if it has pass, it's empty, right? Now this class is not an abstract class actually, because Python in default do not support abstract classes, right? So we have to import a module called from ABC, import ABC and also abstract method. Okay, we are done with importing, and let us use our abstract base class here. Yeah, now this class is abstract class, and let us decorate our method with abstract method. Okay.
Mr. Koti, please pick up the call. Mr. Koti.
Now let us create another class which takes this class as base class. Yeah, we have our abstract class A as a base class for the class B. Now let us create a method of same name, method. Now let us print the base class of abstract class. Let us make it simple. Let us not complicate the things for basic understanding. Okay. Now let us create the object for it. Object1 is equals to of class B. Object1 dot method, right? Now I want to create the object for class A even. So object2 is equals to object2 dot method. Yeah. Now let us run our program. We have created class A, which is abstract class, and class B, which is the base class of the abstract class, and we are running the program. Yeah. We got the base class of abstract class. The first object, object1.method, is implemented, but while implementing the second object.method, we got can't instantiate abstract class A with abstract methods method, right? So you cannot create objects for abstract classes. Okay, abstract class is only a blueprint or template for the base classes. Okay, and if you remove this with this ABC and run the program, yeah, this time we didn't got anything as it has passed here. So if it is not an abstract class, you can call the method, but if it is an abstract class, you cannot create an object for abstract classes. Okay, so this is all about abstract classes. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you have any doubts about abstraction and you want still much to be covered in abstraction, please let me know in the comment section. Subscribe my channel for more videos on Python, and I also have Python program videos to learn Python from the beginner level